Hello, in this tutorial we are going to use Postman in a .NET Web API project. So now let's create a new project of type ASP.NET Core Web API. Here is the project type. Let's create a new web application. Okay, create. This is creating the project. All right, let's see. Now we are going to create a new controller. Person controller. All right, let's copy these two decorators and put them here. Let's inherit from controller. All right, let's create a new service. Let's create first a new folder, services. Let's create a new class, person service. All right, let's create a new interface, iPerson service. All right, this is going to return a task of type person. Get person. And let's create a new person here. First name, Carlos. Last name, Duarte. Age, 29. And return the person. Okay, let's create a new folder here. Models. Now we need to create a new class, data class, name it person. Correct. This needs to have first name, last name, and age. So let's delete this line. Okay. Let's include this namespace. Now we need to copy this signature here. And we need to implement this interface. Okay. Now let's go to the program.cs. We need to register the transient here. person service. Okay, let's go to person controller and we need to create a new property here, read only person service. Person service. Now let's inject in the constructor. All right. Now let's create the new endpoint. Public async task iAction result get person. Let's create the root. So now let's return an OK with the person service get person. Now we can try with Swagger. All right, we are in Swagger interface. Now we can try with this endpoint and it is working okay. Now let's copy this URL and let's try in Postman. We need to select get method. We need to paste here the URL and let's click on send. Now we have the same result. Okay, this is the tutorial. That's all. Thank you for watching. See you soon.